All right, so one of the problems, especially when we're in South Florida right now, and it's about 1 o'clock. The thing is, if you look at Hannah's face here, right? The shadow or the sun is coming directly down on her face. So then there's, take off your glasses 1 second. So now there's these like heavy shadows under her eyes. You got this really sharp cut of light on her nose, right? And so that kind of lighting is no bueno. All right, so walk with me. Turn. No, stay where you are. I want you to turn. You can come around with me, Judah. And no matter what direction I turn it, keep turning. No matter what direction I turn, the light is the same. And usually if you have directional light, you're able to get better lighting on her face, right? But because the sun is coming directly from above, we're in South Florida.
Oh,
it's midday. It's just going to be totally dead set on the top of her head. So what we have to do, this is not really the best location. I'm trying to shoot in the sun so as to give a better idea here. But what we can do on my camera, show me. On my camera, it's just the lens is a 17 to 28 millimeter lens here. So I have it on 28 because I don't want it too wide. And then I have an ND filter on the front of the camera so as to kind of block out some of the light. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to underexpose my scene a little bit. All right, I'm going to, right now everything is kind of perfectly exposed. I'm gonna switch to manual. I'm gonna set my sync speed because my flash sync speed is at 200. So I'm setting my camera to 200, ISO 100. And I'm gonna turn my ND filter down to kind of bring the trees back. Because the trees normally, let me take off the ND filter first. Let me show you what it looks like without the ND filter on. Whoa, that's crazy bright. Okay,
Really
that's
bright
without
out here.
the.
That just got flashbanged.
That's without the ND filter. Let me turn off this flash also. Again, and I'm gonna just increase my f-stop first. And so that's with the image perfectly exposed at about 6.3 on the f-stop.
Oh.
Right? So the f-stop is at 6.3, but I'm gonna put the ND filter back on. Drop it back down to 2.8
Jeez.
to get everything really out. And now I want to add a flash in there. So I'm going to underexpose enough to kind of bring the trees back from being overexposed. Now I'm going to put the flash on.
What's the point of having the flash if you're gonna underexpose it anyways?
Now I'm underexposing. That's a great question. Thank you. I'm underexposing the environment.
Ah.
And but now she's dark because the entire environment is underexposed.
So then you're adding your light on top of that to
on
make
top
it better.
of her to bring her back up.
Ah.
Exactly. So everything is underexposed, and now I'm gonna try to light her properly now with my flash, right? And with the flash, you got directional light.
Whoa.
Okay. And so that's 1/16 power. I'm gonna increase the power a little bit more. I'm gonna
So
go
what?
to 1/4 power. Nice.
Don't blink.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But that looks great. I'm gonna put the image up on the screen right now. Maybe do a couple more here. Actually, I'm gonna take off this thing. I'm gonna shoot without the cover on there. So now it's just a bare flash. It's probably gonna be a lot brighter. Yes, it is a lot brighter. I'm gonna drop the power back down to maybe 1/8.
I don't know.
I love the cheese. Love the cheese. Actually, what I want you to do, come with me. You find a good backdrop here.
Maybe on the car?
No. I'm gonna get like sky.
Ooh. That'll work.
Come, turn towards me. Maybe turn a little bit this way and looking back here. Like turn your body this way. But then
Other
you're
way.
looking back. Yeah, there we go. And I need an extra hand.
Yeah, sure, I got you.
Actually, no, it's okay. Turn the other way. And what I want you to do, I want you to kind of take like a little hop like that. Can you do that?
Like that?
Do it the other way. Do it the other foot. Yeah. You don't have to hop back. Just like one. Okay? And keep this foot up like that.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm very
This is probably new for you.
Yes, very new for me.
Don't worry. You'll get used to it in time.
In time. Well, she got 2 weeks, right? Because we're probably going to do more of this stuff.
So, when do I hop?
All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I like
Perfect.
it. I like it. One more.
Okay.
Ready? Again. 3, 2, 1. Again. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Hopping.
All right. I can't see the back of the screen because put it on me. I can't see the back of the screen because it's so bright out here.
Oh yeah,
Let's
definitely.
go inside and take a look